Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing these super cute Christmas reindeer cupcakes. They're soft, chocolatey, and perfect for holidays. So let's get started. Well, first, in a bowl, we're gonna start with the dry ingredients first. So I'm adding the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, and a pinch of salt and mix all the ingredients together. After that, we're gonna add the wet ingredients. So we're gonna add the egg, milk, and vegetable oil and mix lightly. Now add the hot water and mix until the butter is smooth and oops, and here I forgot to add the baking powder, so I add it. Now pour the batter into cupcake liners and filling them about 2/3 full. Bake in a preheated oven for about 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Then let them cool completely. Now let's make the buttercream. So for the buttercream, beat the softened butter until creamy and gradually add the icing sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Then melt the dark chocolate, let it cool slightly and mix it into the buttercream. Now once the cupcakes has cooled, we're gonna pipe the buttercream on the cupcakes for the reindeer face, and I use chocolate for the antlers and small chocolate pieces for the eyes, and sugar paste or any round candy for the nose. And that's it. These reindeer cupcakes are so fun and festive and perfect for Christmas. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.